Go to Bulacan Realtor, and today I'm going to give you an update kasi 'di ba mas niliitan na yung percentage ng down payment for Regent Heights, kaya I will give you an updated sample computation. At the same time, we're gonna see how I'm going to have a tour using the video of my Meta sunglasses. Let's go. Okay. So, I don't know guys, I'm using the Meta sunglasses now. I hope that you are also seeing the video in full mode. So, this is the townhouse of Alexa model in Regent Heights, Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, which is along the road. Ayan siya guys, diba? Wow, ang cool kasi no, hands-free vlogging. Try lang natin, no, sana ano din, clear din at malinaw. So, ito siya guys. Nakita nyo naman yung color, di ba? It's neutral. So, ito yung magiging parking area nyo. Ayan, yan nakita nyo sa harap. Small car park. The minimum lot is 50 square meter and the floor area is 65 square meter. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and shower. Okay? Wow! Okay. So, this is it. This is our model unit. There you have it, guys. And we have, oh, diba? Hinignan ko rin sa phone ko, just making sure that it's working. So, there you have it, guys. So, this is a complete finished turnover. What you see is what you get on the screen. Except, of course, pinaganda lang yung ceiling. Pero sa ceiling niya, ganyan yung turnover ng ceiling. Nakita niyo yan. Ayan siya, guys. And then, naka-paint na siya. May 60 by 60 na tiles. Kasha yung 6-seater dining table. Stabilize ba yung video, guys? O, diba? Ano to? First time kong ginagamit itong Meta sunglasses sa pagbablog. Just to try. I don't know, but if it would also be good. So, L-shape yung kitchen niya. And ito sa turnover, kasama to, ito. Except this one, kasi sa model unit lang siya. Okay? So, meron tayong 2 toilet and shower. Ito yung toilet and shower number 1. Hello, guys! And this is the turnover of our service area. So, meron na siyang partition and then pwede mo na lang yung ipa-roof. Let's go upstairs. Ah, diba? Ang cool. So, napadaan lang ako guys kasi merong mas pinababa na yung down payment natin. I'm so excited to share it with all of you. So, this is our turnover of the second floor. May tiles na rin siya, nakapartition na lahat ng bedroom. So, this is bedroom 1. Okay. Your bedroom 1. And your bedroom number 2. Ayan, maluwag siya, diba guys? Pwede dito ang single bed, pwede dito ang double bed. And this is your master's bedroom. Yan, master's bedroom natin, guys. There you have it. Pwede dito, syempre, ang double bed or queen size sa ating master's bedroom. Under renovation pa rin siya ng konti, kaya medyo. And here, guys, is the second toilet and shower. Yan. So, second toilet and shower, no need to go downstairs, diba? If you are on the second floor. Yun yung maganda, kahit townhouse siya. Dalawa na yung toilet and shower niya, diba guys? There you go. And then, here's what we have. Of course, let's talk about the updated sample computation. Ayan guys, no? October 2025, humabol na po kayo. So, pinapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang updated sample computation. Wow, diba? Less than 20,000 na lang yung monthly DP. O, diba? Ang perfect nun, guys. And at the same time, ang kailangan mo lang dito, initial requirements para ma-qualify po kayo. Okay? So, pinakita ko yung sample computation, kasama dyan yung required salary. Ito naman yung kailangan yung i-ready bago kayo magpa-schedule sa akin ng treatment. Ayan guys, showing on the screen yung mga kailangan nyo pong initial requirements, okay? So, what you need to do next, of course, is to contact me as soon as possible, strictly no walk-ins. So, that's my number, Viber, and WhatsApp, always showing on the screen naman, diba guys? 0917-114-2422. My name is Nicole, just mentioned Regent Heights. If you are using Facebook Messenger, okay, that's the messenger, my messenger link or the account. It's legit. My blue check po yan. Verified account yan. So guys, I hope to see you all soon. And thank you for joining me today sa ating quick update for Regent Heights. using my new Meta glasses na sana maganda rin yung quality ng video, no? Let's see. But anyway, guys, let's have a last look for the outside model. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hello, girl! I'm trying my new Meta glasses. Nagbi-video ako with this one.
Okay.
Hindi ko lang alam. Oo nga, nasama ka na sa video, no? Okay, thank you guys for watching.